Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Jane Cruickshank and I live in Essex in the UK, and I have been now learning and Forex trading for 5 years. I first looked at it when I was a network marketer online, and I got so sick of trying to sell and recruit products and services, and I just got really fed up with it. And somebody showed me something that I could do from home, where I can earn my own money, where I didn't have to sell and recruit. And that person was Paul Turner. And I can honestly say I'm eternally grateful to him for saying to me, please come and look at Forex trading, because it would have been never, ever have been something that I would have looked at on my own back, because I would just thought that's too complicated. That's too, how the hell am I going to Forex trade? But honestly, it's the best skill I've ever learned. Thank you to the team, the training inside the team, the support in inside the team, the live trading sessions. I tell you what, I would have quit 100 times over if it hadn't been for the Ninja team, because Forex trading is an incredible skill to learn, but also the mindset side of things. You get so carried away with it sometimes you make silly mistakes that you think, why did I do that? And I've blown accounts before. I'm going to be honest with you, I've made stupid mistakes. I've got incredibly greedy when it was going very, very well, and then it's just all turned and bit me in the arse afterwards. But the team, the Ninja team, they're there every day. They're there for you if you want to jump on a live session, if you want to kind of bounce ideas off of people, if you want to jump on these sessions and just say, look, I had a really, really bad day today. I made a stupid mistake. I know exactly what I've done. And everyone will just say, we've all done it. Do you know what I mean? We've all done it. And to have that support and that kind of real group that are surrounding you, it just keeps you going. And thank God that they did, because now that I have got this skill, I can go into the Forex markets every day, whenever it suits me around the lifestyle, because I've got 2 young children, I'm a busy mum at home. I can go into the markets and I can find what I need to find to drag out my daily profits for that day, to get my 10 pips, to close that and just, lock it in and bank it. And I do most of it off my phone, if I'm totally honest, because I'm taking the kids to clubs, or I'm at the school runs, or I'm doing other stuff like that. So what I tend to do is I tend to take an hour out of my day and I go and look at the charts. I mark up some charts and I set alerts on my phone, so that when those pairs are ready, then I can just literally get an alert on my phone and I can take my trade. It is so versatile around my lifestyle, and it fits in really, really well. So trading for me has become, my road to financial freedom. And anybody that's looking at Forex trading and they're really, really worried about it, please, if I can do this, anyone can do this. And the Ninja team are there for you. They've got incredible exclusive indicators that you can use, that they've designed themselves. We've got support, we've got live trading, we've got, the guide section within our Facebook group is a training within itself to help you. We've also got, which I think is incredibly important, some amazing mindset training. Now, Forex trading is, they say, 80% mindset, 20% skill. So if you can master the skill, we've got the mindset covered for you as well. It means that you can control your greed, you can control your revenge trading, you can kind of you can work on all of those skills that you need to be successful. So if you are looking at Forex trading as an option now, they're working from home, working off your phone, working around a lifestyle, it's so important this day and age with what's going on in the world. You need to have a backup plan where you could just earn money from the markets on a daily basis because of a skill that you've learned. So look at the Ninja team. Thank you to Paul Turner, thank you to the team, and just get involved.